Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can start a group chat or a group conversation for your workspace on Slack. For example, if you'd like to communicate with multiple workspace members at the same time within the same chat or conversation. So drop a like and now let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account, for example, through the web application, select the workspace here, and after that you will be redirected to your current workspace. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here to the left where you see direct messages of your workspace. Next, click on that plus icon here or use the shortcut Control-N to open a new conversation. And after that, you will see the new message or the new conversation here to the right where you can start your message by typing it here at the bottom. However, guys, before you do that, I would recommend to add or to invite members to that conversation, and you can invite multiple workspace members, for example, workspace members listed here below, or simply workspace members who are located in a specific channel or specific users, so simply pick them from that list. Let me invite, for example, that one here, and the Slack bot for demonstration purposes as well. And after that, these members will be added to your conversation so that you can start communicating with them through that group conversation. That's it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you start a group chat on Slack. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.